Vietnamese vegan spring rolls. Dip the spring roll wrapper into water just for a few seconds. Then add whatever vegetable you like. I've got cos, I've got noodles, I've got cucumber, carrot, red cabbage, capsicum, mint and coriander. Green tea has been known to reduce the risk of heart disease due to the high levels of polyphenols. When you roll them, the skins will be flexible. Roll them nice and tight so that you have this perfect parcel of vegetable goodness. Now for the dressing. Garlic, Dilmah's green tea with jasmine, my favourite tea for sure. Coriander roots ground together to get out all the flavours of not only the tea but the garlic and the ginger. Some palm sugar for sweetness, some vegan fish sauce, sweet chili sauce, a little bit of red wine vinegar, and now the magic ingredient, Dilmah's Elixir of green tea with jasmine. Stir that around and make sure you get the flavours combined. Add some lime juice. Vietnamese vegan spring rolls paired perfectly with Dilmah's green tea with jasmine.